Hey guys, I'm trying out the new McDonald's pizza burger. It's a pizza inside of a burger with shredded Mexican cheese on it. My dogs are barking because they're a piece of shit! Anyways, let's get right into it. So you can see the pizza. It's magnificently, it's just perfect. It's perfect. Anyways, let's just get right into this. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, gamer, Fortnite. Okay, honestly, I got some criticism. It could go for some condiments. Because as of now, it feels like a dry ass pussy. So, take another bite.